Cut here, telling you how to survive a Nerf war. Pass it on.
Gonna be a long tutorial. So I hope you're ready to serve your country!
Yeah!
Alright, tell them the first method.
First method. We didn't go over this. Screw film. Just kidding. First method. Make sure you always have a knife on you. Screw you, film director!
Oh no! Assaulting a field director will result in the video being cut.
Good thing it's foam.
Alright, tell them about the guns.
I pack a sack in my pants and my back. But, first of all, you must have weaponry if you go to a Nerf war.
Dun 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 dun.
First of all, you have your sniper rifle with camouflage. Now that is what you must have. Your pistol with attachments. 18-round clip. Not much. Your attachments to this.
Technical difficulties.
Plus, it's basically a pistol too.
Fire resistant camera.
Your laser. I think I'm missing some pieces. And your scope. Follow me into my crappy home. Up there. You know what this deserves? You know what this deserves, cameraman? Slit in your throat! For not knowing what to do, man! Not knowing what to do!
Camera down! Camera down!
Just kidding. Follow me. Right. Well, attack dogs!
Always keep attack dogs. Always be ready for a sneak attack. Sneak attack! Now that's how you take out a corporal in a Nerf war.
Snake attack!
Not again! Not again!
Screw putting it in my sock. I'm just putting it here. Screw the life.
Heavenly
I'm a
lights.
teenage boy. Left, 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 right, left, left, left. I think this is 26, sir. Hey, I was playing Call of Duty Black Ops. Cause you're a cock. I don't know if you can say that on the internet though.
Of course
I do on a daily basis.
Of course you do. Everybody says cock on the internet. It's
Where's my shot? Yeah!
War made him loopy. He got decommissioned.
That never happened. Glass bottle! Use anything as a weapon.
Obviously, Trey's going
Now, no!
He's in no condition to make a Nerf survival video. So, if you don't want him out killing innocents, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.
No, we're not.